Let's see how sanding belts are made. First comes to jumbo roll production. Strict pre-treatment by impregnation, molding, and backing coating. Then apply professional resin evenly on the backing to hold abrasive grains firmly. Electrostatic grain planting keeps grains upright. We print brand logo and production details on the backing. After second resin coat, materials are in ovens for high temperature curing. Next, flexing to bend and soften the material. Finally, we slit jumbo rolls and rewind them neatly. Now, let's take a closer look at the belt converting process. First, cutting the materials precisely to standard lengths per order. Then use Italian Bico machine for integrated edge processing, gluing, and joint taping. Join the two ends to make endless sanding belts. Use Italian Bico machine to compress the joint. Proper curing and aging ensure reliable belt quality. Attention to packaging ensures safe transportation of every sanding belt. Professional for making 4 feet, 8 feet, 9 feet sanding belts.